I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the file is editable and making a copy so you never overwrite the original. Once done, open the copy in a tool that supports color transforms, Acrobat for GUI users, Preview on Mac, or ImageMagick for command line. Make sure you can view all pages, scroll to verify content. Now choose the simplest path you prefer, a menu-based invert or a batch command. This early choice determines the exact steps that follow. Next, apply the inversion. If you use Acrobat, open Preflight or Accessibility tools to replace colors or create an output intent that swaps blacks and whites. This preserves vector text. On Mac Preview, add a custom quartz filter via Color Sync utility and export the PDF with that filter applied. For automated or batch jobs, use ImageMagick's Convert with Negate, but be aware this rasterizes pages and can reduce text clarity. Make your choice. Finally, export or save the inverted document as a new PDF and inspect several pages at 100% zoom to verify text remains sharp and images look correct. If you notice rasterization or jagged text, revert to a vector-aware method or increase export DPI. If colors shift unexpectedly, check the PDF's color profile and reapply your inversion with color management enabled. One key troubleshooting tip: if fonts or layout break, revert.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.